Greetings, Business 212 students. I use as many freebies as possible, so I only have 15 minutes and we'll try not to get lost in the weeds here. I'm going to show you the most important. The first week is simple. We just basically introduce ourselves. You supply me with the first page, or excuse me, the last page of the syllabus, and I'll show you how to navigate within Canvas in case you are new. All right, so you go to your home. This will be your home page. This greeting will tell you I will have these all so you can click right on them and go to that week if that helps. Okay, the next one is the syllabus. Yes, as my cartoon says, it is all in the syllabus. You can download it. This arrow here means to download, or you can open so you have it on your screen, or you could do right click and have it open. And this tells you everything, all right? How the grading is worked, how we talk to each other, my technology policy. If you have a disability, I can only accept OSD official paperwork. It gives you the dates here. I put this in as a convenience, but it is your responsibility to know all these dates. Okay, excuse me while I charge my battery, or my computer. Been working diligently to get all these done. Okay, yes, why this is highlighted, you can take this class on a pass, no pass option. What that means is that Life 101 kicks in, and somewhere towards you don't complete the assignments and you're below a C, you will just get a pass for the grade. And March 7th through the 12th is our spring break. Okay, all I want from you is this page here, this contract. You can sign it electronically, put the date that you do it, put your name in here, and just send this last page, right? Okay, and it shows you the course summary. Sometimes these are good, sometimes they are not. I copy the class from semester to semester, so sometimes the date might be off. You might see last fall. Please send me an email if you do. All right. Okay, and then the course schedule. This tells you a weekly accounting of what's going to happen. All right. Everything that we're going to do is right here. Right? And this is a possibility that it could change, right? If it doesn't correspond with what's in the syllabus, go with what's in the syllabus. I believe I changed the case analysis. Nope, it is 15%. Okay, all right. Then you go to discussions. This is where we have our weekly communication with each other. You can ask questions right here. It shows that it's locked till January 14th. Okay, I will have to change that. I'll put January 10th. All right. Go in and do that so I can show you as the example. All right. Yeah. Well, I'm going to put today's date, which is when is today? The 8th. So it'll allow me to show you. 8th to May 7th. There is a feature in here that allows us to change the date, but it doesn't always work. So we just go with it. Okay, back to student view. This is what it was like. If you have a question, something about, a date is wrong. Let's see, a date is wrong on an assignment. You think the date is wrong. anything, you need to ask a question in general, post it here. Maybe one of your peers will think, here, do not put anything of the sensitive nature in this area. Do not ask me when assignments are due. It's all outlined for you. Our modules. This is number 1. Okay. Can you see right here where it says mark done? What you need to do is read this, read what it tells you, and then go down here and mark as done and click next. Okay. As you go through each one, click mark as done, because it will not let you move forward until you have done this. All of these. And in this follow the guidelines, the discussion board requirements, do that. Remember, you're in a college level class. I expect college level writing, no abbreviations, none of that. All right, so now if we go back up here to discussions, excuse me, modules, you can see where the check marks, the green check marks. So if you're not seeing those, you have to go back and do them. Like here is where textbooks, it tells you all about the textbooks. I will do office hours this semester on Tuesdays, but you need to give me a heads up so I can arrange for a Zoom. I prefer Pronto. It allows you your privacy, right? So your modules, you'll go through these. This one comes up January 10th. I'm not sure why this one isn't working. It's supposed to be locked till January 17th. But little minor things like this, email me. I don't have a problem. Again, here, I don't know why this one isn't locked. All right, so you'll go through this semester. I hope you'll enjoy the movie I've chosen, Hidden Figures. All right, grades. I'll do a quick here. It will show grades for test students. Once you are given a grade, it will go right in here. I do them on Mondays. And if Life 101 doesn't kick in for me, then I usually do them all on Mondays to get, so you know right away what your grade is in the class is continually. You can do a what if. Let's say if you put in a 30 here, you can go and see what that 30 will give you. All right, so it's showing discussion boards. Right now I would have a 60% in the class. Okay. This is a what if score. All right, so just so you know, it's there. All right. Now it's not going to let me get rid of it. Okay, I'll just put a 0. And, you can do that. If you know you're going to be gone during the semester, put in grades, right? Assignments. This is a listing. One time I asked Dr. Beyer, how come I cannot keep these in order? And he said it's just like a messy file cabinet. All right, so upcoming assignments, you should have it all here. All right, and it will tell you the dates. If you see any of them that have a like August, November, December, shoot me an email. It just means that somehow it didn't get changed over and I didn't catch it. If you need tutoring, go here. If you don't want to go on campus, which I don't blame you, let me go out of here. I'm a student. If you need tutoring, go here into business. Checking my time here. So you can see, all right, drop in tutoring hours, customer support, whatever you need. You are entitled as a student of AVC to get Office 365. Let me see if it will allow me to log in. Sometimes it doesn't. Okay, but you would go ahead. You have to accept their agreements. You can get it for free. I think it's two or three devices per household, per student. So it's a good thing to have. Like I said, OneDrive, they all do it on OneDrive now. And you can log out. All right, it's Most of it is log out. I don't believe there are any more flash drives or CDs that you have to load, right? My hope is it won't show you student view. What you will see is these. These are all the students in the class. Okay? So if you need to get a hold of somebody, um, you know, for whatever reason, I do need you to know, in all transparency, that if you email the entire class and you're complaining about me, the email goes to me. Just send me an email if there's something going on. Life 101 kicks in or something, whatever. All right, I do accept late work. So sometimes I have to reset those dates. So shoot me an email saying I need to submit my late assignment. After Friday is it's 20% per day. So if you haven't submitted it by Thursday at the latest, Friday it's 100% deduction, so it's not even worth your time. All right, I think that is pretty much it. I do not know why my account is not showing Pronto on here. Let me go in and see why it's not showing Pronto. Here we go. This is Pronto. I love using Pronto. It's like a text message, if you will. So you can go here and you can go, I'll do my 2009 Business 212. And go in here. You can type me a message. You can attach a file. Do not submit assignments through here. I will not accept them. I will not accept assignments anywhere else other than Canvas. Hey, you can send me a little emoji. I can access Pronto anywhere. I can access anything within our course except for your grades. Those I will need to be at home and in my computer. All right, so you can see right here, it's published. So now I would go in and see why this one is, yeah. Okay, so it just kind of, in discussion boards, read the guidelines. I'm very particular about them, and I want more than just an opinion. Don't say all men, all women. I want 30% of women, 40% of men. All right? Don't just throw all and you're stereotyping. And we talk about stereotyping in this class. Right? If you have any questions, just email me at swilson@avc.edu. Class starts on Monday. There is no official time online. It's just that, online. The class is available to you 24/7. This is available. This is what your class will look like. Okay, this is another class I teach, but you will only have this one because you're enrolled in my class. You might have other classes up here that you're enrolled at, but this is the one for our class. Okay, have a great weekend, and we will talk, if you will, on Monday.